beauties, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. Alright guys, so if you're new here, you are highly welcome. Now in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to get a soft, supple and pink lip. Okay guys, so I know that like as you see my lip, I have nothing, like basically nothing on my lip, okay? And it's been like this for a while, okay, because I've actually been scrubbing, and the thing is that I actually keep using lipstick for now, okay, and it's also been helping me. Now one of the things that actually causes your lip to turn dark is as a result of all of this lipstick that we use and lip glosses. You know, some of them the chemicals in it, you know, react on our lip, therefore leaving our lip looking really darker than it should be or it used to be, okay? So the things, I also know that there are some people who do not like or want their lip to get pink. This video is actually not for those people, yeah, because I know that there are also some people who want their lip to be, you know, exfoliated and lighter. So this video is for you. If you want to know all of the ingredients, do continue watching and don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe and share. And now let me take you right into this video. To get a baby soft and supple pink lips, you're going to be needing to use beetroot, guys. Alright, so beetroot is a natural remedy that works in lightening up the skin, and it also helps to remove crack and chapped lip, okay? So we're going to be making use of this, and then we're going to be cutting it this way. Alright, now I'm just going to be peeling it up. Alright guys, so now we'll have to be creating this. Now after creating it, I'm going to be putting just a little bit of water to get the juice. And this is how it is. Okay, so I'm going to be setting this aside, and we're going to be making use of sugar. Okay guys, so sugar has a granular particles that works in scrubbing out dead skin cells on the skin, okay, and it's also helped to remove cracked lips and dry lips. So scrubbing with sugar would effectively make your lip pink by removing all of those dead skin cells. So we're gonna be needing about 1 tablespoon, which is what I have here already, okay, and then we're going to also be making use of lemon. And lemon contains vitamin C and is citric in nature, and as such it helps to make your skin lighter. It helps to remove dark spots, it scrubs out dead skin cells, so it's going to make your skin look pink by scrubbing out the crack and chapped lip, therefore revealing a more fresher and more softer lip. So I'm going to be cutting the lemon, so I'll have to just squeeze a little quantity of this into the sugar and then stir it all up. And this is it. And then we're going to be making use of Excel and perfume jelly, okay. This actually also contains coconut oil and is very perfect for the skin. Using this on the lip would help you to maintain moisture, and it locks in moisture onto your lip, therefore keeping it moisturized, keeping it really soft and keeping it really pink, yeah. So we're going to also be making use of Excel Vaseline. Okay guys, so this is it. So to get a perfect pink lip, you're gonna be using this, or you can actually just use your brush, okay, to make it easier. So you're going to take the ingredients and then you're going to rub it onto your lip, okay, and then you're going to scrub. Make sure you apply a generous amount of this. You scrub generously. Scrub the edges. Sometimes this side used to be darker. Scrub it. Don't scrub too hard, okay, so that you don't bruise your lip, because the lip is actually very soft and tender. So after you scrub, then you can rinse it out. Alright, so after rinsing this out, then you'll be needing to use the beetroot. So you grab the beetroot and then you apply it, and then you also use it to scrub, yeah. Alright, so this is how my lip is right now. You can see that actually really pinkish, huh? Alright, so I know there are some people who do not care if their lip is pink or not, but there are some who care if their lip is pink or not, okay? So this video is for those set of people. So after that, then I'll rinse it out and I'll be back. Okay guys, so this is how my lip is right now. Really pink, right? And then you would have to be using this Excel jelly. You rub it onto your lip. You can rub this morning and evening, okay? Rub enough for it to last from morning to evening, okay? And then your lip will stay moisturized. So that's it guys, it's actually as simple as that. You can see how it helps my lips so much, okay? I've actually been scrubbing with other scrub, but this particular scrub is wonderful and it is so great, yeah? So that's it. If you do enjoy watching this video, please don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe to this channel and share this video, and I'll see you soon in my next video. Stay beautiful and bye guys.